So another great feature which is added in Lumion 2024 is the parallax interior effect. And suppose this is commercial building and you want to submit your design to client and you don't have time to show the interior parts. So suppose this is a retail part, first floor, second floor is your office space, and the residentials you can quickly do by using parallax interior effect. So we can go to your content library here, you can go to effects, and you can see this is the parallax interiors. This is a new feature which is added in Revit 2024. So you can see there are parallax office, and can see there are some category of office, and you can use these effects to quickly change your design, and you can show the interior parts, and you can show the interior views very quickly, and you can see the retails, you can see the rooms. And suppose I want to show this office space, parallax office, I'm going to double click here and I'm going to bring this here, and I want to show this as office space. So you can bring it here, you can place like a decal, and now I'm going to use this select button. You can see this icon here, you can select this space and you can increase or decrease the brightness in here. You can change the room height to match your ceiling height, and you can move this up and down and can bring it inside, and you can start copy also by pressing Alt. Can start copying, and you can present this interior scenes to your client. And you can see this is very handy if you don't have time, and you can change the scenes very quickly. So again, I'm going to my this retail, and I want to show my first floor as a retail here, and you can see here, you can place it here, and you can use the select button and can increase or decrease the brightness here. You can change room height, and you can bring it inside or backward position, left, right, and you can see your exterior scene will show the interior part, which will be realistic, and you can save a lot of time and effort. After applying materials, you can check the rendering, and you can check the intensity of light in parallax interior. So if you will go and click a photo of this, you can check the night view or evening view, and you can check the intensity of light from here, and you can go back, and as per your scene you can increase or decrease the intensity here. So I'm going to effect here, and I'm going to select this one, and you can increase or decrease this light here as per your scene. And can again go and click onto this photo, and suppose if you are working in the daylight here, so suppose you are working in daylight and you don't want this light, so can go to build mode here, and you can select this light, and you can use this toggle light here. You can simply uncheck this, so light will be turned off, and you can do this for here also, here also, if you don't want, if you are working in daylight. So if you want, you can turn this off, and you can present like this. So this was the tutorial for the today's session. In the next session, I will come with some more interesting topics in Lumion 2024. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.